Hello student, today we are going to discuss about geography, paper first, environmental geography. In this unit number 4, we have been studying national environmental policy and movements. During the last lecture, we have discussed about national environmental policy, introduction, objective and principles. Then another topic for the same unit is initiatives or actions regarding land degradation, forest conservation, wildlife conservation, fresh water. Now we have to discuss about climate change. Climate is the average weather conditions of an area. Such conditions which average over long period at least 30 to 35 years. Before knowing the climate change, it is also necessary to know what is climate, what is weather. As we know already that climate is the permanent state of atmosphere, while weather is a temporary state of atmosphere. Weather changes according to daytime, while climate is the average weather conditions of an area. Such conditions which average over long period at least 30 to 35 years. Climate change refers to any significant change in the measures of climate lasting for an extended period of time. Climate change includes major changes in temperature, rainfall, wind patterns, etc. Climate change may upset the hydrological cycle, results in floods and droughts in different regions of the world. हवामानात बदल झाल्यामुळे हायड्रॉलॉजिकल सायकल अपसेट होते, तर काही ठिकाणी महापुरे येतात अतिवर्षणामुळे, काही ठिकाणी अवर्षण होते म्हणजे दुष्काळ असतो. जगात असे अनेक प्रदेशांमध्ये हायड्रॉलॉजिकल अपसेटच्या मुळे अशा प्रकारचे इव्हेंट्स घडत असतात. कॉज sea level rise, changes in agricultural productivity, etc. Cause in some regions becoming wetter and the other drier. Industrialization has very important impact on climate change because several unwanted gases are added to atmosphere which results in global warming, acid rain, and ozone layer depletion. Here we have discussed that several unwanted gases are added to atmosphere which results in global warming, acid rain, and ozone layer depletion. Several unwanted gases. We know the composition of gases in the atmosphere. There is a disturbance in these gases due to human activities. and which results change in temperature, rainfall, and ozone layer. The global average temperature has increased by about 0.2 to 0.6 degrees Celsius during the last century. Industrialization increased the temperature, greenhouse effects, etc. are major reasons of climate change. हरितगृह वायू यापैकी एक प्रमुख कारण हवामान बदलासाठी असू शकते किंवा आहे. त्यानंतर इफेक्ट्स ऑफ क्लायमेट चेंज. एमिशन ऑफ हार्मफुल गॅसेस डिस्टर्ब द नॅचरल बॅलन्स ऑफ क्लायमेट. मोस्ट ऑफ द अँथ्रोपोजेनिक म्हणजेच मॅनमेड मानवनिर्मित मॅनमेड ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आर अपसेटिंग द delicate balance that was established between various components of the environment. In industrialization process, emission of harmful gases disturbs the natural balance of climate, which affects on agricultural output, crisis of water, effects on ecosystem, disturbance in water cycle, increase in contagious diseases, etc. Due to increase in temperature, sea level rises, ice mass loss. म्हणजे आइस मास लॉस हे कशामुळे? ड्यू टू मेल्टिंग. In Greenland, ice mass loss in Greenland, Antarctica, glaciers, etc. These are the effects of climate change. Now, the next topic is major environmental movements. Among them, now we have to discuss about the Chipko Andolan, म्हणजेच movement. The Chipko movement. The word Chipko means to hug or to cling or to stick. In 1970, an organized resistance to the destruction of forest spread throughout India and came to be known as the Chipko movement. The name of movement comes from the word embrace, as the villages hugged the trees and prevented the contractors from felling trees. During last few centuries, many communities in India have helped to save nature. In 20th century, the Chipko movement of 1973 was one of the most famous among these. The first Chipko action took place spontaneously in April 1973 in the village of Mandal in the upper Alaknanda Valley, upper Alaknanda River Valley. In 1973, the Chipko movement initiated by Chandi Prasad Bhatt and Sundarlal Bahuguna against large-scale felling of trees in the Uttarakhand hills. The starting point was Chamoli district of Garhwal region. The movement has succeeded in creating awareness against the indiscriminate felling of trees and saving hill forests. The Chipko movement is a movement that practiced methods of satyagraha where both men and women activities from Uttar Pradesh played vital roles. Gaura Devi, Sudesha Devi, Bachani Devi, Suraksha Devi, Chandi Prasad Bhatt, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Govind Singh Rawat, Jun Singh Negi, and others were first to save trees by hugging them. They coined the slogan, "What do the forests bear? Soil, water, and pure air." Sundarlal Bahuguna is known for coining the slogan, "Ecology is a permanent economy." On 9th June 1917, uh, the movement has spread to many states in the country. In addition to the 15 years ban in Uttar Pradesh, the movement has stopped propelling in the Western Ghat and the Vindhyas and has generated pressure for natural resource policy and ecological requirements. The next part will be continued during the next lecture. Thank you.